Good morning, beautiful people. Greetings from gray Winnipeg. We actually had some rain earlier. Oh my goodness, it's the middle of December. What is the world coming to? Well, we know the answer to that. Anyway, just really quickly, because I'm parked outside the gym where I have kettlebells, so I need to go in there for a few minutes, but I just wanted to get this off my heart because I watched a live by my friend and mentor Riel Andrews this morning as I was driving here. And well, no, I didn't watch it actually. I was listening to it, just in case you're worried. I was listening. And he was talking about consistency. That's his theme of the week, and it's mine too. Funny how that happens. If you find someone who's where you want to be in terms of whatever it is, health, business, or whatever, if you find somebody who's a good role model for you, then just do what they do and you will grow. So anyway, so consistency is the theme of my week. It's the theme of Riel's week. And here we go. Actually, I think it was the theme of Susan Sly's week too, talking of role models. Anyway, consistency. And he was talking about habits, and he was being very honest and real and raw, as only Riel can do, about his habits. You know, when you're older, like we are, he's 55, I'm 56, almost 57, you know, some habits are pretty well established and it's hard to break them. But we do, if we work at it. And that's the thing. Just because you've decided, well, now I'm going to go to the gym every day, or I'm going to do a Facebook Live every day, or I'm going to do 100 push-ups every day, whatever it is that you've decided you're going to do, you'll start off with enthusiasm and motivation because it's new and shiny, and then it'll kind of go away, won't it? Because, yeah, no, I need to go to kettlebell, I need to drive the kids to this or that, I just have to do this one thing, and oh my goodness, I haven't done the thing that I said I would do every day. I haven't done it in 3 days. That happens to me. I'm sure it happens to you. So it becomes a matter of making a conscious decision to not let that happen, okay? Because you know that it's just waiting around the corner. Riel calls it the enemy. Stephen Pressfield calls it the resistance. You can call it whatever you want to call it. But the point is, unless you make a conscious effort to change your habits, and as Riel said, and he's right, you can't just break a habit. You have to put something in its place. Then, yeah, it's just not going to happen. You're just going to go back to being the same old you that you always have been, telling yourself the same old stories every year, making the same resolutions on January 1st, and having the same regret in the middle of December. We don't want that to happen this year. This is going to be the year that doesn't happen. And oh, my light just died. Mazel tov. Okay. It's okay. Hopefully you can still see me. So, yeah, consistency, determination, and a conscious decision every day. So Riel and I have both been using Brendan Burchard's journal, High Performance Journal. It's amazing. It's fill it in morning and night. There's also, you can use it as a regular journal in between and putting in your calendar and so on, and I strongly recommend doing that. But to me, the real power lies in the two sidebars, the morning reflection, the evening reflection, and then once a week you have a weekly review, which is bigger. But if you can plan, do, review every single freaking day, you are going to be on top of changing those habits. So, gonna run in and do my kettlebell because being on time for things is one of the habits that I want to establish here. But yeah. It's a thing. We have to do this. So if you got any value from this video, I would be super grateful if you would like, comment, share, all the things that will bring it to the attention of more people. And if you like more content like this, I'm now at the point, I've got a blog, I've got a podcast, I've got a YouTube channel, I've got a newsletter, all the things. Obviously, there's some overlap in the content, but I try not to have them be identical. But check out all these things. Find the modality that works for you to absorb the content the best, whether you like watching videos or listening to podcasts or reading, whatever it is that you like doing, do it because life is too short. We need to get this done. So visit my website, energyqueens.com, and get on whatever modality works for you. They're all there right on the front page for you. So, yeah, have a great day. Remember, I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye.